Okay, hi everyone. We're losing light. We are at Bukit Batok Nature Park now. It's another adventure time with me and my buddy, Mr. Taisho. He's very eager to go up. As you can tell, it's a long way up. So let's go. Oh, it's a long way up, Taisho. Let's go. Okay, so this boy keeps looking back because we bumped into my dad, who was out for a walk as well, and now he's not behaving himself. Taisho, let's go. Oh my god. Okay, bye. He's following my dad. Bye. And we are at the top, where there is this high thing. So this place has some history because Bukit Hill, which is just nearby, is actually the highest point in Singapore. And back in those days during World War II, this area was heavily guarded by the Allies, as well as muchly contested with the Japanese soldiers when they came to Singapore. So that's why this place is actually quite a historical place, I would say. Okay, and now we are on this chocolate bar path. It's getting dark, as you can tell. This guy is back from running around with my dad. Awesome. We found a little pavilion where we can rest. I should just stay here. You're a good boy. Oh, if you look down, it's part of the park. They're very nice sunset over there. Pink skies. Someone once told me that pink skies means that it's actually very polluted. I'm not sure how true that is. Would you like some water? Ta-da! I have an apple, but I have no pen. Anyway, this is his favorite snack. You like it? Sit. Good boy. Give me a paw. Paw. Yes, good boy. Okay, I'm gonna give him one piece. Wait. Catch. Yeah, good boy. Oh no, you dropped it. You eat it anyway. You want some more? You want some more? So it's really good that we're here at night. We're actually able to eat the apple because there are lots of long-tailed macaques around in the day. In nighttime they're usually sleeping, I guess, so you don't really see them here. You see a lot of bats here though. And I don't know what this little boy is doing, but he's just being a dog. Okay, time to leave this place and explore more into the darkness. See you guys later. We made it out to the cross junction, the memorial lookout point. I think we came from the lookout point. Which way should we go, Taisho? Left or right? Where do you want to go? Taisho? Okay, looks like it's that way. Okay, we have reached the main area of this park, which is the fitness corner, where most people are at. Awesome. Okay, we're walking on our way home now. I don't know if you guys can see me. Walking on our way home now. This Taisho, I don't know what he's doing. Hey, let's go, bye. I'm gonna leave you. Come here. That's it, good boy. Alright. Okay, so time to say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below and comment if you like Taisho's videos. And don't forget to drop a like as well. So we'll see you next time. Bye bye.